Hello, my friends, and welcome. Today is the day that I am sharing my full home tour of my main floor and a bonus room. I have been working so hard to bring you this video, so I'm going to just let you watch it and enjoy it. I have a separate video for almost every single room. I'll let you know if I don't have one, and that way you can watch those if you want to know where things came from and if they were my DIYs. So without further ado, let's get touring. We are starting off in my front foyer. I have obviously a video for this one. There was a bit of a change. I did have extra pumpkins in that crate. Unfortunately, they met a fate of my 9-month-old puppy, and they are no longer with us. That's not the one that's lying down. The one that ate them is outside. Over in this hallway, this leads to my mudroom, which there's no decor there, and over to my powder room. Now we move on to my formal living room, followed by a dining room. Now the dining room video will be Decorate With Me will be going live on Sunday, so if you want to see full details of that, make sure you come back here on Sunday to watch it. So at this point, coming out of the living room, the dining room is on the left, and it kind of opens up into my kitchen, dinette, and family room. So now we are in my family room, and this is a room where we spend most of our time in as a family. So I have opted to kind of not decorate too much with pillows because they all only end up on the floor because they get moved around. And happy to report that these pumpkins have not been touched yet. And here is the troublemaker. I know he doesn't look like he's 9 months. He weighs 110 pounds, but he is actually just turning 10 months soon. Now, coming from my family room, we're going to finish the main floor in my kitchen and dining room. Dinette, actually, it's like a breakfast nook. And now I'm going to take you to a room that I haven't shared as part of my home tour before. I have shared it in other videos, it's just not part of my home tour. This is our basement rec room. It has become a rec room just recently. It used to be my daycare room, but I split it up into the rec room and my home office, which I will be sharing. It's almost completed and the way I wanted, so I will be sharing that soon. But this room, I wanted to make it as cozy as possible. Having leather couches, that is a little bit harder to do, but I think I have achieved a pretty close cozy look. What do you guys think? Let me know down below what was your favorite room. If you enjoyed it, what was your favorite thing, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not. I would love to have you be part of my YouTube decorating community here. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.